Hello, good morning, everyone. Today we will learn about the subscript and superscript tag in HTML. When it will be used in your education is the most important part because the sub tag will be used for subscript the character, or you can use the superscript for subscript the character for your use. So these are the two main important tags that will be used inside the HTML. Generally the tag uses whenever we want to display the mathematical content or chemical reaction with the use of that tag. Right now you can watch over the screen about the two important tag, sub and sub tag is there. P is the paragraph tag. Firstly we will write the title for our web page. Right now we are doing coding at the HTML document. So this is the head title. Inside the title, explanation of subscript and superscript. You can write the different code with the next line also. That will be very attractive looking for your HTML document, and you will be easier to understand the concept inside it. The body part will be used for the web page area, and we have written the content of the web page inside the body tag. P is the paragraph tag. We will just change the we will just change the alignment at the center. P align is equal to center. For that first sentence, after doing this operation, we will just minimize and will open the page. Page will be displayed in front of you with the center alignment of the given. Right now you can watch both output and input at the same screen. Right now we will do one main operation is there. So firstly we will see the first sentence. This is the normal text, and subscripted is the text enclosed in between the sub starting and sub closing. Means sub is the subscript and sup is the superscript. So generally we have written the two important sentences with the tag. So from that you can easily look at the output screen that the word subscripted enclosed within the sub tag display with the subscript manner, and the word enclosed within the superscript, or we can say the word superscript enclosed within the tag sup means superscript tag. The word will be displayed at the superscript type of display output. So also I will copy the alignment and just I will use it at the different places for displaying the alignment at the center. So from that you will be aware about the knowledge related with the subscript and superscript tag. These both tags are very important. Just save after doing changes and just see its output. You can see at the center the 4 sentences directly will be displayed over the output screen. H2O is the normal formula for the water, and if we want to display the A square, or H2O, so that time firstly decide the character will be displayed over the output screen whenever we use appropriate tag, means appropriate subscript or superscript tag before the text. Means if I want to display 2 at the subscript type of at the suffix place of the text of the sentences, then that time I will use the sub tag before and after the character or the word or the sentences or the number. Here 2 is the number and subscript or superscript are the words. So you can apply the changes over total text or total sentence also. So that will be used to display the required sentences or the word or the character or a number at a particular or in the particular manner. So just I have placed the tag sub before number 2 and sub before 2 whenever I want to display the text like a subscript and superscript. A square will be useful as a superscript for the number 2, and H2O in this formula the number 2 will be displayed at the suffix or we can say the so both formula we can write with the help of subscript and superscript very easily. Just keep it in your mind that we should have the proper coding, we should have to write the proper coding at the time of writing the code. If I want to display a square plus twice AB if I want to change the name with the small letter, or we can say lowercase characters. We can say lowercase characters means in the small letter we can write here the formula a square plus twice AB plus B square will be there. So for that write B, and for square I will write sub tag and just insert the 2. After that just close the tag. The formula firstly check whether it is right or wrong, a square plus twice ab plus b square. This formula is very important at the time of your education, so you can write the formula also. Just my screen